How to copy and paste text on a Samsung phone. Now, this is quite tricky. Why? Because copying and pasting text isn't really dependent upon a phone. It is dependent upon the service or the app you're using. For example, you could easily copy text that was in a Google Chrome browser or other browsers, right? So here, if I go to Google Chrome, search for something, I can long press on a text, I can drag this, and there I can hit the copy button, I can paste it. But if it's a third-party app, so let's say it's WhatsApp for example, if you go ahead and select a certain message also, you can long press on it and then basically you tap the three dots and then you go to the copy button. Now this depends upon the app that you're using. On Instagram you couldn't copy a comment or bio, but you can also choose to copy messages of someone if you want to. So this is a thing that you have to understand. It's not dependent upon Samsung phone or iPhone or Android or whatever. It depends upon the app you're using. Let's say there are some apps that you want to copy the text of, right? So let me go ahead and then let's say I open up Instagram here. If I open up Instagram, here there is a certain text within this photo itself. You can see that I want to copy this text, or with the caption, let's say. What you do is we simply take a screenshot of this photo or this page, which I want to copy the text of. We open that screenshot. Now when we open that screenshot, this is a Samsung phone, so it will automatically scan this image. So you can see the T icon at the bottom right of the screenshot. When you tap the T icon, it will automatically scan for text within the image, and then I can go ahead and then choose to copy those texts. So now I can go ahead and long press on it. So this works for the applications that doesn't let you copy the text. Remember, it depends upon the app or the service you're using. Some apps will let you copy the text, some app will not let you copy the text, but you can use Samsung Gallery's screenshot and convert to text feature to be able to get any text on your Samsung phone. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.